Oh my, jeez. I've been talking to a closed camera. Yeah, check out this road. 19th of February. It's amazing, isn't it? It started to drizzle early morning, which became harder. Anyway, this is a short walk to digest all that food we had last night. Completely changed my routine, but I enjoy the company of my daughter and partner. Rain brought some freshness to the air. Smells so fresh. Quite unusual. Everything looks so quiet. I know it's a Sunday, but sometimes there are some Sundays that looks busy. So this is a bit of a treat. So with lesser cars, it's gonna be, there you go, coconut vendors here. Lesser cars means, wow, oh yeah, I smell of phloem. Oh wow. Hi. I forgot my phone. Check out that guy who's trying to lift his motorbike across the center island. Oh. And he's getting help from another guy. Good morning. So late afternoon yesterday we had a meal. I don't really even consider that dinner or lunch, just a meal for me, at a place inside Cubao Expo, and the place is called Habanero. You saw how those young guys are bicycling? Maybe some unusual techniques they got from YouTube again. It's beginning to drizzle once again, and I need to open my umbrella to keep my camera dry. Garbage collection day. For some communities, it's Sunday. Wow. I forgot. Maybe on the way home I'll probably buy some rice cakes. Suman. After our meal dinner, we then went to a like a Korean restaurant. It's just nearby, and my daughter had an ice dessert, Korean ice dessert. Very good. Some loud music playing, but I don't see any Zumba. I wonder where they're holding their Zumba today. portion is more activity. So far I'm still on time. I should get to the corner at 30 minutes. Wish I can go a little bit faster, but I guess my legs are still tired from yesterday. Is this common in your area? Faces of politicians decorated all over the place. I can see some cyclists taking a shade underneath a tree. I mean, I'm pretty sure they could have foreseen the rain today, but looks so funny. Yeah, exactly my time. Whoa. Climbing up the steps. Sometimes I had to close the camera to attract too much attention, especially from those police might start asking questions. Golly. Well, since I'm holding my umbrella on my right, I place the camera on my left hand. The drizzle has become stronger. Oh well. Check out all these vegetables. Wow. At the corner. It got this body all chained up. A lot of vegetables. Amazing. It's nice to see a lot of vegetables. Prediction for today seems to be more rain. You know, it's good that we were able to get this walk this morning. A good cup of hot coffee when I get home. Our trees are now in season, or almost in season, and most of those trees are blooming right now. And the scent smells so good in the morning. There you go. And they had some snacks. Some light traffic building up, but not that bad. I don't know how it feels to live here